Okay, guys, now I want to prove you something would be different between Hellcat red-eyed with 707 horses and Mustang GT, my Mustang, only tune intake and X-pipe. There's 50 extra horses and pushing 510 horses. And we're going to see some race between Hellcat and Mustang GT, just regular Mustang GT. It's not GT 350, it's not GT 500. But yeah, I got some guy from my club, Sean Knox. He said he want to race with me on the track. Of course, on the track when he got opening, he got same Hellcat with 707 horses, and Mustang definitely is mine, like mine. And I wanna guys prove you how Mustang doing with the just regular tune X5 regular tune, pushing would be over 500 horses on Hellcat stock 707 horses. Definitely this guy, I respect him big time. He's very good to races on the straight line, quarter mile. He's from New Jersey. I like him. He's such a good guy and on such a good racer. He raced a lot of fast car with the Mustang GT. He calling his car Mustang GT Black Mamba. Actually, I called my car either. I never know him Black Mamba too. When I put a sticker, style sticker around my tire, Black Mamba. And that's actually cool name. Only two YouTuber what I know is me and him. Of course he's big YouTuber, he's over 100,000 subscribers. And he got actually new Mustang GT 500 with stock, is pushing 760 horses. And he got GT regular Mustang, but now he did tune on VIP tune in Florida. Now his Mustang is 9-second car. It's gonna be 12 car. Okay, guys, check out. Check under the hood from Hellcat. It's supercharging, supercharged, and his stock 707 horses. Look, it's all same color, matching with the color outside. Damn good. It's hard car. I like. Honestly, I like how American muscle car, but my most favorite car is the Mustang GT. I mean, I like GT 350, GT 500. You know, that's about name. You know, but you can boost the regular GT to be way faster and cheaper from any GT 500 or GT 350. But that's under the hood from Hellcat with 707 horses. Definitely the same engine from Sean Knox. He lives in West Springfield. He's member in my club, the New England Car Club. We got 100 members, 100 cars in the club. And it's all such a nice people, and we're doing rallies and birthday and helping kids with the cancer, veterans. That's all good things what we do, you know. But now I wanna just would be prove to the Sean Knox how not even just small tune GT beating stock Hellcat 707 horses and 650 pounds of torque. And yeah, guys. Okay, that's about showing up Hellcat. Now we're gonna go to the Mustang GT. And on this guy from New Jersey, I like him. I like him because he's such a nice, good dude, good guy. Good racer on the straight line. Actually, he know how he can do and how he can beat cars. I mean, I'm not. I'm good too. You know, I'm good in the curves on the, you know, like drifting and down. Straight line is just straight line, but some people doing good in the straight line. You know, I mean, I'm sure I'm doing good too. But this guy from New Jersey, YouTuber, Stenge Mode, I like him. He's good guy and he's good racer. On here, vs Hellcat, and is different around 180 horses is different between Mustang GT and Hellcat Red Eye 707 horses. You guys see both look damn good, damn nice. SRT key, start by boom, on just, you know, on that's like I'm not sure about Hellcat how many GR got, but you guys see 1, 2, 3 Mustang take him instantly. Okay, second round, boom, again. You know, guys, I'm sure you know Hellcat and the I'm sure Hellcat and the long, like high speed, he can catch me. But Kodermal, just regular GT with small boost, taking Hellcat 707 horses. Okay, now is Hellcat pushing way more horses. That one is probably 2016, 2017. I'm not sure, but you know, it's such a damn nice car. But Mustang GT is Mustang forever. From back when he got discovered in 1964, 5.0 Coyote. You know, I call it Coyote engine because Coyote 5.0 is not joke. But yeah, let me get other race. Okay, this guy with a Hellcat that now again, you know, 1, 2, 3 is gonna go bump. You guys check out. Definitely, I don't know what's wrong this guy, but this Stenge Mode beating him in any way, man. I'm positive in high speed you can take him, but you know, look guy, palm again. This means Sean Knox think about race, because I'm positive when we go on the Lebanon, you know, you're not gonna beat me easy, because you know, under my hood is you know. And you guys see how Stenge Mode beat him, you know, in any different way. But now the same GT, the same GT what he have Stenge Mode, he boost up, and he boost up in Florida. I'm not sure how much he pay for, but now his GT is that Stenge Mode. And such a nice guy, such a good racer, you know, I give him everything, man. It's good. And anyway, you know, he's good racer, and now his GT pushing his 9-second quarter mile. That's mean now, no way, when many races, whatever how good races, he can beat him on the quarter mile, because his car quarter mile is 9-second car. He did good job. Now he got fast car, damn fast like crazy. In Florida VIP company, he did his car. He make his best is 9.5 second quarter mile. That's mean, that's not joke. Okay, just I put this video, you know, I want to prove you something to Sean Knox about his Hellcat on regular GT with just small boost. Okay guys, hey, thank you for watching, stay tuned, God bless you all, share, like, subscribe, hit bell for next video, and you know, be safe, and this coronavirus is very bad, be safe on that too, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching guys, that's just small improvements. Okay guys, stay tuned.